then, what can you profit off this pan of gelato?
This pan of gelato should bring you back anywhere from $150 to $175, depending on the amount and where you're at. So it's a high profit item. A lot of smiles in what you're doing. This is the only business I've ever had in my life where everybody's happy. They come into the shop, you give them a little taste, and the smiles automatically go. And this is also another business where Mommy, Daddy, Johnny, Sarah, Grandmom, and Grandpop can come in and enjoy everything because of the way the flavor is and the way things are. Now, I want to do a little color on this particular gelato. So we're going to put, these are actually chocolate. I'm going to put some curls on here. All right? Look how nice that looks on that situation. I like the color. Look at this color.
I like the green and the pink.
Isn't that wonderful? And look at the smiles. Look at the smiley face we're going to put. Wait a minute. Let's put that smiley face right over there on that couple stars. And you know what? We're going to fill it out with lollipops. Here we go. Voila.